All right, so we're here to talk about volume one last time. I'm going to use this box here. I'm sure many of us have some Amazon boxes, some other kind of boxes just chilling around our house these days. So, volume is made up of three different measurements. We talked about those in one of the earlier videos. We have height, I called it depth in the other video, but height, which is up and down. We have length, which generally goes across, and then we have width, which is going the other way. In order to find volume, you just need to multiply those three measurements, and that gives you your answer. Your answer is always in cubic, whatever your measurement is, cubic yards, cubic feet, cubic inches. But let's be clear. It honestly doesn't matter what numbers you call what, because if I just have this box right here, it's the same box, but if I turn it this way, same box, but now my measurements have changed because this up and down now is labeled as the length, and this down here is labeled as the height. But we just talked about that's not how that works. But honestly, it doesn't matter what order you put those numbers in and those measurements. As long as you multiply all three of them, you'll end up with your measurements for volume. Volume is how much space something takes up. So just the box here in general, we could say it takes up however many cubic inches. A lot of the times when we're talking about volume, it's how much we can fit inside of something, whether it's this box, a bag, a pool, how much water can go into it, that sort of thing. So that's the quick rundown of finding volume. I hope you had fun with this lesson this week. So what I want you to do is I want you to find one box of some sort and measure it. Height, length, and width, which looks like it's kind of going back there. Again, it doesn't really matter as long as you got those three measurements. And find the volume of it. That's how you do that last part. All right, later.